Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll have a big Boeing factory colors unboxing with the Boeing 767-400ER, the Boeing 747 Dreamlifter, and of course the Boeing 747-8i. And for the sake of this video, for not being so long, we'll skip the unboxing for these two and we'll go straight to the Dash 8i. If you really want for me to make a specific unboxing for those two, you can ask me on the comments, but we'll still have a review for them, just there will be no unboxing. So it does come with a stand from Hogan. I got these models at a Boeing factory at Washington, and yeah, we can go to the boxes so I can show you the prices for each one. So this one was 45, yeah. This is the box. Yeah, quick look. That's it for this one. Now we can continue. So this one is the orange factory color, which is really beautiful. So you can see. Now we go to the shot so you can have a better look. And we'll have the review for the others, but without, the unboxing experience. So I'll see you in the shots. Now to wrap up this Boeing 747-8i, we'll go to the details of it. First, we've got the 747-8 branding as well as the Boeing logo. Then we've got this beautiful livery. We've got General Electric logo at the 4 engines. Very minimal, really nice. We've got Intercontinental branding, and at the tail we've got 747-8. And that's it for these Hogan models. I really think they did a great job. You can see the landing gears. It's not made out of rubber, it doesn't move, but it's still really nice. And I think for the price it's a really nice model. Maybe it could be better, but I can't ask for anything more. It's very nice. Now let's go to the next model. Now let's go to the Dreamlifter. This model cost me $45 again, from the airplane store right at the Boeing museum at the factory. It does come with a stand again, and here's the gears. Now we've got the Boeing branding, the doors details. Now this model does not open, but it would be really nice if it could. We've got the Dreamlifter branding, and nothing on the tail, really interesting. Now we'll go to the shots for this aircraft and we'll be done with the Dreamlifter. Now this is the last model we'll be taking a look today, which is the Boeing 767-400ER. Again in the factory colorway. We've got the landing gear, which does have some sort of capability, so it takes like the landing position. Really nice. Again, it does come with a stand, which it's pretty nice and generous from Hook and Wings. Quality wise, again, really nice. Nothing spectacular, but the colorway, it's really nicely done and it does the job. I mean, it's really nice. So let's go with the shots and we'll wrap up the video. Now to wrap up the video, as you already know, these three models are from Hook & Wings, and if you would ask me if I would recommend to buy any of these aircrafts, certainly I would say yes. Why? Because each of these costs $45 and for this price you get a really nice quality. It's not a Gemini jet or an NG, but it's really nice. All the materials are either die cast or except for the gears and the stand, which is plastic, but everything is made out of metal, and the paint job is really nice. So yeah, I really recommend this aircraft. And I wanted to thank everyone for making this channel possible, so thank you so much, and please leave a like, subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.